Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today we're checking out something that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a luxury machine that takes the idea of road travel and turns it into a full-blown elite lifestyle experience. Built with the design philosophy of Bugatti automobiles, this motorhome is not just about getting from one place to another, it's about arriving in absolute style while carrying a 5-star environment with you wherever you go. From the moment you see it, the exterior makes a massive statement. Unlike traditional motorhomes that focus mostly on practicality, this one looks like a stretched hypercar fused with futuristic architecture. The body is shaped with flowing aerodynamic lines that reduce drag and give it a sleek, low-profile presence despite its large size. The front features an oversized signature grille design paired with ultra-thin LED lighting that stretches across the width of the vehicle, giving it a bold, high-tech identity day or night. The entire structure is built from lightweight carbon composite materials that help balance strength and efficiency. Along the sides, you'll notice flush surfaces with almost no visible seams, creating a clean and sculpted look. Digital camera mirrors replace traditional side mirrors, improving visibility while reducing wind resistance. Massive performance wheels sit under sculpted arches, giving the motorhome a planted and powerful stance on the road. One of the most impressive exterior features is the expandable living architecture. Hidden slide-out sections extend when parked, dramatically increasing interior space without compromising the sleek travel profile. The roof integrates solar panels that provide supplemental energy for onboard systems, making long off-grid trips more practical. Ambient lighting built into the bodywork also creates a soft glow around the vehicle at night, turning any parking spot into a luxury display. Step inside and the transformation from vehicle to luxury residence becomes clear. The interior is designed with the same precision you'd expect in a high-end private jet. Soft leather surfaces, polished metal accents, and carbon fiber trims create a modern yet warm atmosphere. The color themes are customizable, allowing owners to choose between minimalist elegance or bold, artistic styling. The main living space functions as a fully adaptable lounge. Seats can rotate, recline, and adjust automatically based on comfort settings. Integrated massage features, climate-controlled seating, and intelligent lighting allow passengers to create their perfect environment with simple voice commands. Large panoramic windows surround the space, offering incredible views while maintaining privacy through adjustable smart glass technology. Moving deeper into the interior, the kitchen area feels more like a designer apartment than a vehicle. It includes induction cooking surfaces, compact luxury appliances, and automated storage systems that secure everything during motion. Countertops are crafted from premium composite materials that resist heat and scratches, ensuring durability without sacrificing elegance. There's also a built-in dining arrangement that folds out seamlessly when needed, turning travel time into a refined dining experience. The sleeping suite is designed to maximize comfort during long journeys. The bed automatically adjusts firmness levels and posture support, while ambient lighting adapts to natural sleep cycles. Overhead, a panoramic smart skylight can switch from clear to opaque at the touch of a button. Storage areas are cleverly integrated into the design, keeping the space uncluttered and calm. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with spa-inspired design elements. A rainfall shower system, temperature-regulated flooring, and advanced water recycling technology provide comfort without excessive resource use. Every detail inside the cabin is engineered to make life on the road feel effortless and refined. Technology plays a huge role throughout the motorhome. A central control system manages climate, lighting, entertainment, and vehicle settings from a single interface. Large ultra-high-definition displays provide navigation, media, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Passengers can connect devices wirelessly, access high-speed internet connectivity, and control systems through voice recognition. The environment responds intelligently to travel conditions, automatically adjusting suspension and interior settings for optimal comfort. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the motorhome truly separates itself from anything else in its category. Instead of focusing purely on comfort, it delivers serious power. The advanced hybrid powertrain combines a high-performance combustion engine with electric motor assistance, producing extraordinary horsepower for a vehicle of this size. Acceleration is smooth and surprisingly quick, allowing confident highway merging and stable high-speed cruising. The adaptive air suspension system constantly adjusts ride height and firmness based on terrain and speed. This creates a ride that feels composed and controlled, even on uneven roads. All-wheel drive provides enhanced traction and stability, ensuring confident handling in a wide range of conditions. Despite its size, steering response remains precise thanks to advanced chassis engineering and electronic control systems. Efficiency is also improved through hybrid technology and energy recovery systems. Regenerative braking helps recharge the battery during travel, while solar panels support auxiliary power needs when parked. Quiet electric driving is possible at low speeds, making campsites and urban areas more peaceful. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity defines this motorhome just as much as luxury does. Production is extremely limited, with each unit heavily customized for its owner. The estimated starting price sits in the multi-million-dollar range, with fully personalized versions reaching significantly higher figures depending on materials, technology packages, and bespoke design features. This is not a mass-market vehicle. It's a collector-level machine designed for those who want the ultimate fusion of travel and luxury. What makes the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome truly fascinating is how it transforms the idea of mobility. It's not simply transportation and it's not just accommodation, it's a seamless combination of both. The exterior presents futuristic elegance, the interior delivers elite comfort, the performance defies expectations for a vehicle of its size, and the price reflects a level of exclusivity reserved for the world's most premium machines. That's all for today's deep dive. If you enjoy seeing the most extreme and luxurious vehicles ever imagined, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews right here on AK Cars Reviews.